welcome back to our Monday Live with MJ and attorney Hermes, where we kick off the week on a brighter side. Money and the word. Can you have both worlds? If your answer is yes, how do we balance both worlds in 7 ways?
For me, one can have both money and a commitment to spreading the Word of God. Here are some considerations and guidelines to balance the two. Rules and restrictions. Number 1, intentions matter. Ensure that your pursuit of financial security aligns with your values. Use money as a tool to support your mission rather than as a means to an end. Rather than focusing solely on growing your savings, we use our money to support a mission like educating community and going green projects.
Number 2, generosity. Set aside a portion of your income for charitable giving, community support, or spreading the word. This reinforces the importance of sharing while also maintaining financial stability. How? Each month, consider inviting someone from your church, such as those who are alone, orphaned, or widowed, out for a dinner to share a meal and conversations. This simple gesture offers support and connection to those who may need it most.
Number 3, mindful spending. Practice intentional spending. Prioritize purchases that align with your values and that contribute to your spiritual growth or your community welfare. I personally know someone who does not want to shop at a specific store because of how that company poorly treats and poorly compensates their employees.
Number 4, avoid materialism. Be cautious of the temptation to hoard wealth for its own sake. Regularly assess your motivations and avoid letting material possessions define your worth. It's unfortunate that many people equate their self-worth with their net worth or how many Hermes Birkin bags they have.
Number 5, invest in growth. Use your resources to invest in opportunities that enhance your ability to spread the word, such as education, community projects, or outreach programs. If you're looking for an opportunity to invest in growth, consider supporting your favorite existing charitable programs or church ministries.
Number 6, balance. Strive for a healthy balance between saving for the future and engaging in acts of service. Both are important for personal well-being and community impact. For instance, you might allocate a portion of your monthly budget to a savings account while also volunteering at a local church each week, ensuring both your financial security and your commitment to serving those in need are met.
And number 7, reflection and accountability. Regularly reflect on your financial decisions and their alignment with your spiritual goals. Consider seeking accountability from trusted friends or mentors. For example, you could set aside time each month to review your spending habits with a close friend who shares your values, discussing how your financial choices support your spiritual aspirations and community involvement.
Having both financial stability and a commitment to spreading the word can create a powerful synergy. By managing your resources wisely and keeping your intentions aligned, you can experience the benefits of both worlds. Until next time, guys. Ciao, everybody.
Thanks for watching our video today, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. If you'd like to follow us on our other social media links, they're right here. Have a great day.